What's up, guys? Today I want to show y'all how I made myself as an action figure. First, I found an action figure on Google. I uploaded it to Procreate and put a picture of myself there, and I erased out my head and put it on top of it. And then I had to start kind of smoothing out my facial features and making it look like it's more plastic. You know what I'm saying? Especially my beard. I just really smudged all that together with the airbrush, and it worked pretty good. And then kind of colored in some tones with the airbrush as well. And then what I did was I started coloring it. First, I put a clipping mask on a new layer so all the color would go down on just the action figure and not the background. And once I did that, I erased out the background. I should have done that first, but anyway, I did it with an airbrush, and that way I didn't really get nothing that wasn't supposed to be erased. And then I started airbrushing my tattoos on. I tell you, the airbrush is good for just about anything. Once I got them on, it started really looking like me, you know? If you guys have any questions, drop a comment below, and I'll try my best to answer it. If you enjoyed this video and want to see others, make sure you hit subscribe.